Guys, it's your girl Miranda, and today welcome into the show is my brother.
Hi, my name is Corey Fraser. Thank you.
And I have 5 other brothers. Okay, let's get this started. You have your activator, 2 of my half done glues, shaving cream, something to mix with, like your bowl, and anything you can basically find to mix with. I'm going to use a chopstick again. And as you recently know, I did 3 videos yesterday. So let's just put our ingredients in the bowl. Chopstick, shaving cream, activator. I love calling it activator. My half glue, other half glue. So let's get this video started. Okay. Activator. My activator. Okay. Just like there. First, you put in your glues. Hopefully this works. I don't think I have enough glue though. No.
And you know, she keeps talking in her room. And see, if you ever ate these, they're Takis. And we're about to put it in her slime. Just kidding.
Gee, if y'all really thought I was about to.
Hey Miranda, I saw your.
But previously, I would be making all kinds of weird slime. And at the end, of like, when I stop deciding to make YouTube videos, or just like I have too many, I'm just gonna mix it together, all together. Activator. Put it back.
Hold on, I just want to do.
And as y'all know, I have a lot of money, cause I've been saving up.
And you see, all this money, boy, we rich.
Boy, that's my money that I've been saving. Okay, let's just put my other glue back there. Here's my chipstick.
This is my stack I've been saving.
There's
Thank
my
you.
glue. That's how much glue you have.
Huh?
Okay. Shaving cream. Okay. Dang. What you make them munching on? But you gotta get rid of these for me. Ooh.
Are you ready for shaving cream?
Yeah, look. I'm just gonna tell y'all something right now. None of my friends are fake, but I hate fake friends, bro. But none of mine are fake. Like, if my friend tells me that she has another friend that's fake, I'm like, what? Like, if she your friend, she's supposed to be your friend, not a fake friend. I'm not calling none of y'all fake. So don't be talking about on my YouTube channel you wanna fight me. So
Point blank period, nigga. I'll fight your brother if I need to. Point blank period. This the activator.
Activator. That holy activator.
Hey, Miranda, can I try to scoop most of this out and use it?
Corey, I'll just give you a bottle of glue.
Where's that?
Hold on.
Can I go get a bottle?
My brother's
Can I go
always
get a cup?
wanting to make slime.
Oh my gosh. That is Fred.
Gosh, not God.
I said gosh.
Oh, you guys, as y'all know, if y'all watched my YouTube video yesterday, this one was a success with a little bit of glue. As you watched my YouTube video yesterday, I made this one out of balloons. Yeah, this one was my medium balloon video. It does pop. It's just probably not in the mood right now. Just throw this one out of the way. You guys, this was my one that didn't work the day before I even started playing on YouTube. And now it's awesome, so I started putting stuff in it. And now it's awesome. putting fingerprints in it, bro.
And it gets stuck to our fingers like this.
Not really. It's really a good slime. So I recommend y'all look at my channel and I will show y'all how to make excellent slime.
Most of these?
Yeah.
Okay. You know Tommy, what's his name's dating?
You know they are. Yeah, we're gonna have some juicy gossip after the slime.
Some what?
Juicy gossip.
What is that?
Bruh, that's a net. I'm just gonna put some shampoo in it. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my slime. I just want it to be fluffy. In a minute, I will show y'all the fluffiest slime that I've ever seen. I know I've watched a whole bunch of fluffy videos on YouTube, but I've never seen a fluffy slime like mine. It's green and it's really extra really extra fluffy.
What's your name?
Oh, I forgot to put one thing up in my slime, but too bad. My brother's back there banging on something, so I didn't get to hear it pop. Corey, stop, so they can hear it pop. Corey! Yeah, you heard that. Okay. That sounded so much like a fart.
Can I have the glue?
Yeah. Hold on, you guys. Oh my god, I can't even stop playing with it now. Hold on, just... See? Yes, it can have imprint. No, it won't fall. Let's just get that out of the way real quick. Let me show you my fluffy slime.
Okay, can I?
Corey, what did I... Oh, hold on. Sorry, you guys. Hold on real quick. My fluffy slime here. Yeah. I just have to move the fluffy slime and replace it with this slime that I was just like...
That's the fluffy slime.
Doesn't it just look fluffy? And this one's name is Green Apple. Me and my brother decided on it. And the blue one is Cotton Candy. See, this one gets fingerprints too. But every time I play with this one, this is I think it's food dye or something like that. But every time I do play with it, green will get stuck to my hands, but the slime won't, but the green will. And I'm like, what? See, yes, and chunks of it will stick on my hands. So this one's the fluffy one, and that one is the like not sticky or anything. Okay, the smooth one or something. Okay. Now, I think I have one more to show y'all guys. Yeah. And let me just show y'all my pink one again. And this one is Pink Lemonade. So, and maybe I will start recycling these slimes. Oh, and please look at Dr. Squish's channel. She is so hilarious. And the Papa Squish. Oh my god, don't even let me get started on Papa Squish. Okay, and introducing the one and only. Hold on. I'm back. And the one and only Sexy Chocolate. It's my brother's stripper name. Okay.
Hey guys. I'm about to make some slime, but my sister won't give me the other slime.
Okay.
So,
the other. As you can see, you have to introduce yourself. He has his glue. Here's his mixing material. And first, you need, just mix it around. Okay. You're out. You're shaving.
Then I got my
shaving cream.
Shaving cream. And then I got my activator.
But first, you're going to put in your shaving cream.
But first, I got to put in my shaving cream. Okay, so let's get started.
Here, use my chopstick, because I'm pretty sure they won't like you using their using our spoon.
So, okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna take this to a farm place. My godparents, they have a farm. They have pigs, they got cows, they got horses, they got everything. And I go over there like almost every weekend. We ride horses, we ride 4-wheelers. I beat everybody in horse racing. I beat everybody in bull riding. So then I ride the piggies. I do everything. So then one time I went to their house, and then they got a big house. It cost $1,000. So then, it's like a mansion, but it's not a mansion. It's not as big as a mansion, but almost close to a mansion. So then we went in there, and then at my house I got a golden retriever, a pit bull, and a cane corso, and 2 pigs, a shed, and 2 cats,
and 3 cats and a beagle. It's not a golden retriever. It's our dog Shorty. His name is Shorty, and he's a beagle.
And there's one named Jake. He's a cane corso. There's one named Rufus. He's a black pit bull, full blood. And then you know what? I play basketball. I crossed my trail over like 2 weeks ago. I was like bang, bang, bang. I was like pull up, 3. I was like bam, bam,
yes, okay, yes, y'all know. If y'all live in Broken Bow, y'all know my brother Shred Major Powder.
And
I think somebody uploaded a video on him on YouTube where he there was this tall boy when they was playing football. He thought that he could jump over Corey, and then Corey said boom, and he spit out of his mouth. It was so
He was
funny.
bleeding through his head, nigga. It was like, yoink. His neck almost broke.
Go ahead.
Yoink.
Put the shaving cream in.
And I got some more slime.
You almost made it lick your mouth. Put the shaving cream in.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, stop. Okay, we put it. Here, mix it. I'm about to do all your work for you.
So then I mix it and mix and mix and mix till I get to right here, to this part. And then I keep mixing,
okay,
keep mixing.
And while you're mixing, I will pour the activator. Oh my god, it's coming to slime. Now let me see it, because you're getting to the part where you don't know.
Wait, can I put some color in it?
You guys, my brother has slime. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Comment down below. Please try to look up the video my brother tackled that one dude. But I don't know what it's called.
It's called Corey's Biggest Hit. Thank you.
Okay. Bye. Love y'all. Good night. And yes, my hands are staying green because of my slime I was just talking about. Bye. Love you guys. Good night.
Can I put some color?
And if this video gets up to 10 likes, I will come with my other brothers and some of my other sisters and stuff, and I'll be giving you a tour of my house. Bye, love y'all.